Okay, yesterday I had a chance to replace the '09 Prius headlight bulb again on the driver's side. It works the same way on the passenger side, and you have basically this clip here that holds the bulb in place. If you watch my other video, it'll show you how to remove the cover to this headlight assembly. And this is the difficult part, to remove and install the bulb. And if you look at the clip here, you see how this thing works. This clip assembly is hinged, and then you can move it up or down. Now it's in the down position, and when the bulb is locked in place, this spring here will go under this catch here. That's why when you want to take the bulb out, you press this spring in and then up to release it. And to install it is the reverse. But before you put the bulb in, you move this spring clip open to the left. So you can put your bulb in, and then you close the catch or the retainer. You press it in and then down. When you insert the bulb, make sure, say this is the top of the car. You're looking down, right, from here. There are 3 pins. The flat pin or the single pin should face upwards. And you can see this bulb assembly. There's a flat part. Make sure that is in the bottom. And then you flip the retainer clip over, press it in and then down so that the spring would be under the clip. Same thing for the bottom clip. You press it in and up. So that would be it. And I would advise placing a towel underneath this assembly here in case your bulb falls. So place a towel underneath to catch the bulb in case you drop the bulb when you're trying to install it. You have to do all this by feel because you can't see it. So I hope this helps you in replacing the headlight bulb. Once you know how this works, it's not too difficult. You should be able to do it in 5 minutes.